Are you in Kochi for Biennale? Here are a few experiences and spots to club with your trip.
Many of Kochi's beautiful attractions are just a short walk from the Biennale venues. Need a breather while exploring international art? Nehru Park is a few minutes walk away from the Aspinwall House. Yes, the swings and slides here are for children, but the tree shades are clearly meant for the grown-ups. Feeling better now? Let's explore the beautiful spots close by. A short walk from the park and Chinese fishing nets is Fort Kochi's Princess Street. Known for its colonial-era buildings, art cafes and boutique shops, it's a hot spot for photography and casual strolls. Where Princess Street ends, a lifetime of music begins. Malayali's favourite singer KJ Yeshudas's home. Step inside to feel his home, hear his timeless songs and soak in the aura. A few steps from here is another iconic house. Actor Mammootty's character Bilal in the hit film Big B lived right here. Just turn the corner and walk a bit. You reach the historic St. Francis Church of Fort Kochi. The church, built in 1503, was the burial site of Vasco da Gama. Mornings and late afternoons are the best times to visit. If in the mood, quickly check out an 18th century Dutch cemetery nearby. If a history enthusiast, its ancient tombstones and inscriptions might tell you stories. The area also has some interesting street art. Wait, hear that gentle breeze? That's a Fort Kochi beach for you. Yeah, at times it's a bit messy, but now see how it looks prim and proper. You can also stroll through its sidewalks, watch fishermen at work and the simple waves of life. Had enough sun at the beach? Let's head to the shade of a centuries-old home, Fort Kochi's Corder House. The heritage Jewish home is open to visitors but not cameras. In the mood for some Kerala art? Check out Kathakali and more at the Folklore Culture Theatre, minutes away from Corder House. Every week, from Friday to Sunday at 5 p.m, performances by reputed Kalamandalam artists are staged here. Booking is desk only, with tickets at ₹500 per person. Fort Kochi's neighbour Mattancherry too has plenty to offer Biennale visitors. Shall we go? Have you ever been to a Jain temple? Mattancherry has its own unique Jain mandir full of history and charm. Visitors are allowed at the temple from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m, but its prayer room remains open to everyone round the clock. At the Jain temple, visitors are given a muhapatti to cover the mouth, a sitting cloth to place on the floor, and a rajoharan to gently sweep the area before laying the cloth for prayer. Just keep your phones and watches away and be in simple attires. In the mood for art and history? Mattancherry Museum is close by. You get to enjoy Kerala murals, history and artifacts here without camera flashes. Alongside the Jains, Mattancherry is also famously home to the vibrant Jew town. Antique shops, spice stores, the historic Paradeshi synagogue, it has a lot of history to offer. The Paradeshi synagogue, built in 1568, deserves your quality time for its stunning interiors, ornate chandeliers, and centuries-old heritage. Yet another quaint, historic place of worship can also be included in your itinerary, the Koonan Kurishi Church on the Bazaar Road in Mattancherry. This church marks the 1653 Leaning Cross Oath when Kerala's St. Thomas Christians resisted the Portuguese domination. The current church was built in 1751. Still got some energy? Try a junk-car ferry ride. After all, it's a rare taste of Kochi you won't forget. And all it costs is ₹3 per person. Did you make the most of your Biennale trip by adding these spots to your itinerary? We would love to hear. Until your next adventure, let Kochi's art and history stay with you.